Welcome to our teacher tutorial on choice text. eSpark choice text allows students to make choices and co-create their own unique text with help from our friend Rocky. These interactive reading activities in reading literature, reading informational, and reading foundational domains allow for students to have choice as they create these texts. After they have generated the text based on their interests, we will then ask students standards-based comprehension questions about their created text. So every student will have their own unique story to read that they helped create when they're practicing their skills. Let's take a look at how choice text works from our friend Jess.
When students start their choice text activity, they'll be having a conversation with Rocky. Through this conversation, they'll be making choices that ultimately help to generate a unique text for them. In this case, I am working on a reading literature standard, so we are creating a story. I'm also currently working as a third grade student, and third grade and above have a text box where they can type in their responses as they're making choices. We also have pre-selected options here to choose from, and this is what students in second grade and below will see, no text box. That way it's a little bit more user-friendly for them. For my first choice, I get to describe the main character in my story, and I'm going to go with a golden retriever because I have a golden retriever, and I think it would be really fun to read a story about my dog. Next, I get to name my character, and my dog's name is Marvel, so that's what I'll be naming my character as well. Then I get to choose a character trait. We're going to go with friendly because Marvel's a very typical golden retriever. And then we have one more choice to make, which is the setting of our story. And I'm going to go with the beach because the beach is my favorite place to take Marvel for a game of fetch. Now I'm going to press start reading, and this is where the magic happens. eSpark has generated a text for us called Marvel's Beach Day, and we have an image to go along with our story that's been generated on the fly. And this is really what brings the story to life and makes it so exciting for students. We also have a speaker button that can read aloud the story to your students, and we have a make easier button. This will help make the text a little bit more user-friendly and accessible to students, so it will typically shorten the story a little bit and write it one grade level below so that they can read it independently. When students are done reading their text, we will open up a split screen view for them, and Rocky will start to ask them questions about the text. First, we'll just ask what they
Great.
thought of the text and they can give us feedback. But from there, we'll be asking comprehension questions that are based on the standard that students are currently working on. And this standard is character point of view. So the first question is, what did Marvel and Mia decide to do on the bright morning? Well, let's just say we answered a question incorrectly. This is where Rocky will be able to provide us live support. So Rocky will tell us the answer isn't correct, but that's okay. We can try again. And then Rocky's going to give me a hint that's based on the text. So again, this is where every student is having a unique experience, not only in the text that they're reading, but also in the feedback that they're getting live based on their performance.
For our reading literature choice text genres, we've added quite a few new ones, including drama, poetry, fables, tall tales, mystery, and more, which allows students to have exposure to all of these genres while they create their own texts. For reading informational, students are creating articles about topics that interest them, like Mr. Beast, Taylor Swift, YouTube, and more, with those same comprehension questions aligned to our RI standards. For decodables, students are practicing reading a text with specific phoneme and grapheme correspondence, and then have a short understanding check for quick assessment. Additionally, we have many printable resources you can use to build excitement and support around your choice text. For example, we have a worksheet called All About My Choice Text to promote reflecting on the text, and we even have certificates that you can reward to students for creating strong texts. All of these can be found in the chat feature of your teacher dashboard. Thanks so much for watching our teacher tutorial on choice text. Happy eSparking!